Hi there. Today we will be talking about water chemistry. How do you keep your pool water clean, clear, and safe? The answer is water chemistry, and it starts with three key things: pH, alkalinity, and calcium hardness. pH measures how acidic or basic your water is. We aim for 7.4 to 7.6. That's the sweet spot where chlorine works best. Too low, and it'll corrode pipes and sting your eyes. Too high, and it dries out skin and reduces chlorine effectiveness. Next is alkalinity, pH's bodyguard. It stabilizes pH so it doesn't bounce around every time it rains or someone jumps in. Keep it between 100 to 150 parts per million. If it's too low, raise it using baking soda or alkalinity increaser. If pH is still off, tweak it with a pH increaser like borax. If your levels are too high, use muriatic acid or pH decreaser, but always test your water first and know your pool's gallon size for accurate dosing. Calcium hardness. It keeps your pool from corroding or scaling. Ideal range, 175 to 225 parts per million. It's less volatile, so test it at the start of the season and after major water changes. Balance these three and you've solved 75% of spa chemistry. Want more help? Visit aquasure.co.uk for guides, videos and tools to keep your pool crystal clear.